Want to send HD high quality photos on WhatsApp without losing quality using your iPhone? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send HD high quality photos on WhatsApp without losing the quality using your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Change send media quality. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings icon below. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap Storage and Data. Now tap Media Upload Quality. Make sure to select HD quality. Method 2. Send media using Document. Open up WhatsApp. Select the chat section below. Tap on the contact name you want to send the photo. After that, tap on the plus icon bottom right corner. Tap Document from the pop-up. Now choose the storage to send your photo, like from Files or Photos. If you want to send from Photos, then tap Choose Photo or Video. Now select the photo, then tap on the send icon. And that's it. These are the ways to send HD high quality photos on WhatsApp without losing the quality using your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.